How excited are you, Katie?
I'm so excited to go to Canada's best!
Canada's best!
Canada's best!
Canada's best! World's best,
Hurry up,
Dorset!
Lux! Hurry up!
Nancy, there, eh?
They're saying thank you now.
Yes.
Oh, happy to see you. Happy journeys.
That was nice meeting you.
Yeah, where you're out of the county.
Yeah. Nice to meet you too.
So hopefully everything goes good, bud.
What a beautiful thing you're doing.
Thank you. Keep
Yes.
following us.
Yeah.
We love the support.
Yeah. Give a shout out to Jess.
Okay, we will.
She's encouraging people if they see you to stop and offer assistance.
Oh, that's really nice.
Yeah. Beautiful ladies. Happy journeys.
Thank you.
Happy
Thank
ride.
you.
How was that?
Awesome. Fourth day. I need coffee.
The timing. Long grass.
So how old are they?
He's 12 and she's 5.
Oh my goodness, 12? Really? Wow. But
So how was the weather?
Yes, You're gonna put that in, I'm gonna be sad.
Katie, how was the weather?
It was good. I wanted it to cool down. So freaking hot. I was like, I want it to rain and it'll just cool everything down.
we're all gonna share it. There we go. There you go.
No one ever eats celery, but when you're hungry, you'll eat celery.
But
We're just talking about how disgusting celery is.
how I don't like celery.
So he's
Alright.
gonna eat as many celeries as he can
Gotta
without
swallow
stopping. And you can't spit anything out. Ready?
Oh God.
You're slow. 36 seconds and you only did one. You're not fast enough.
This is the worst. Why am I always doing stupid on camera? I really do feel like I'm gonna work out here.
Alright. How do you hold this camera? It's really heavy. Always have to show some part of your muscle, don't you?
Ladies. Here.
Oh. That was the biggest fail.
That was 8.
8? Were you counting?
Yeah.
Talking. No, it was very graceful actually. Wow, it's just so
buddy.
shaky.
I'm not usually on a horse, but I'm on a horse. Jesus. I'm being interrupted here. I know.
You and Joseph can go. Whoever stays on longest wins. Hold on.
Don't, Jewel. You're an asshole. That was
Film that?
mean.
Camera.
I thought she was.
That was
It
mean.
was really funny. I got her.
Let me
really
see. That was mean. I had to bail because I didn't want her to. Look what she did to me. There is. That's a manure pile. Jewel.
In your cute matching t-shirts. Thanks, Marley. Thanks, Merle.
Hey, you already put my butt on the internet.
No, we put Ty's butt on the internet.
Well, like us, like we all get sore, so we understand. That's why I'm like, yeah.
That's right, they gotta get sore too.
They definitely do. So.
can they go a long ways before they start really acting up like that?
Yeah, there's a lot of circumstances. Like, say, like, we actually are so similar. Like, okay, it's hot, they're hot. You know, like,
Yeah.
okay, this is our 5th day in a row. They feel, like, you can, pretty much, if you're feeling crappy, you're probably pretty sure they're probably feeling the same. That was really nice. But, this reminds me of working at Cottage. We had this cake today. It's really good.
She was gonna take from there 1 or 2.
I just had a coconut tart and
Did
it was
you?
amazing.
Oh. That was the first thing I saw when I came in. I was like, they have to do
want one?
coconut tarts.
far, honestly, if you guys want breakfast
bagels in the morning.
yeah, we can do them in coffee. We can bring them to you.
What?
You just text me when you guys are up and around.
I'll think about this tomorrow.
This day just went like up over 60.
Oh yeah.
You're gonna walk up.
Maybe wants to greet people.
Yes. I say like 1 out of 100 is like, but everyone else is perfect. So.
Yeah.
How's Grimsby?
It's good. It's growing. Yeah. It hasn't changed mostly. Well, I guess you've been in Montreal for a while too now.
Yeah, I don't really want to go back. But...
Oh, come on.
Just to see my parents, but I can't go back.
No. After Montreal.
You don't want to be what?
I want to be anonymous. Anonymous.
What do you want?
I want anonymity.
You don't want people with cameras in your face all the time? Is that your horse?
No.
Is that your horse out there?
A what?
Why are there horses out here?
Did you just call me a whore?
I called you a horse. Look at your face.
I don't have a horse face.
You can walk.
How many times have you rung that out?
It's the 4th time.
The guy? What is it?
Danny's just the pasta.
That's your Italian?
Peace and love. Pasta. Danny's just the pasta.
There you go. There's your Italian.
She's just the pasta from Ramadan.
What are you going to do with that?
I'm gonna eat it.
The thing's bigger than your face. Oh, it actually is really nice.
See.
This is exciting. This is giving sort of a spirit of unity in our country.
Margaret's father married us.
Oh, really?
Right in the front porch. He's 94
Margaret
now.
actually crashed the ceremony. As soon as we were pronounced husband and wife, she yells out, "Congratulations!" It's like, oh, she's out there all on this too. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, I remember that now. I remember that now. I'm like, what? Yeah. I wish I could swim across Canada, but it's I don't know how I'd get through.
Yeah.
I don't think water though. That's awesome. Horn Lake. Yeah. That's what I signed. That's where you stopped. Yes.
He's so newborn. Oh. So cute. And the back. Okay. Yeah, Joseph 130. Bill 130.
Problem.
3, 3, 8,
6, 7, 8. You guys are ready.
Who dealt?
Oh, ready, set, go. Oh!
One.
Everybody wants one except me.
Joe wants two.
Oh, it's so slippery.
It's cold. Oh, I don't like water. Unknown water. Some real schlep wrote this song.
You know who it is?
I know, but I know I should probably.
Who is it? Did you say some schlep wrote this song?
I'm kidding.
Who wrote this song?
Who wrote it?
No, do you know what? The only way you can tell a male loon apart from a female is watch and see who lays the egg.
Yep.